You will be surprised to know that India has been celebrating Children's Day on 20th November from 1956 as a part of Universal Children's Day declared by United Nations. But after Jawaharlal Nehru's death in 1964, India began celebrating his birth anniversary as Children's Day on November 14th. Why? We'll soon come to that point, but before that, let's see the significance of Children's Day and history behind origin of it. It is said that investing in our future means investing in our children. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. Children are nation's real strength and foundation of society. Children's Day is celebrated across India to increase awareness of the rights, care, and education of children. The day is a reminder that every child deserves education, nurturing, and the best of everything. The day is also known as Bal Divas in the country. However, it is not a gazetted holiday and instead children are encouraged to go to school and participate in extracurricular activities. Children's Day in India is celebrated with fun in school and other educational institutes. Children are presented with toys, sweets, and gifts as an attempt to make the day special for them. Several educational and motivational programs, including sports events and quiz competition, are organized at school and other institutes across the country on this day. Did you know when the actual Children's Day has originated? The concept of Children's Day was first introduced by Dr. Charles Leonard of Massachusetts, USA in 1857, the way before Jawaharlal Nehru born. Leonard held a special service dedicated to and for the children. He named the day as Rose Day, which was later named Flower Sunday and then named Children's Day. Yes, that means Children's Day has not started after Jawaharlal Nehru's death. World Children's Day was first established in 1954 as Universal Children's Day, and India started celebrating Children's Day on November 20th since 1956. November 20th is an important date as it is the date when the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Declaration of the Rights of the Child. Now, why and how the date of Children's Day shifted to 14th November from 20th November for India. After Nehru's death in 1964, it was decided that the annual celebration be observed on his birth anniversary date as a means of respect to the leader. It's not surprising looking at the trend of the Congress. Just like almost all government public programs and schemes are named after the Nehru and Gandhi family to show and convey to common people of India that almost everything good in India is the result of work done and sacrifices made by the first family. Same thing goes with the Children's Day. It's just a way to indoctrinate children from a very young age as how the first Prime Minister of India, apart from being a great leader, was a gentleman who loved children and did a lot for them. It's just to gain the mere popularity, the Children's Day was moved to 14th November from 20th November. Certainly, we don't have to do anything about it. As per the Children's Day is concerned, irrespective of its date of celebration, we should focus on the purpose of its celebration, and the main objective of Children's Day is to create awareness about children's welfare and their basic rights, as well as to celebrate childhood. So all the kids, chin up, smile and celebrate the day dedicated specially to you. And to those who are now an adult, keep the kid inside you alive. Happy Children's Day everyone! For more such factful videos, please do subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon. And I shall see you in my next video.